So the hard truth is, if you don't plan to transition or transfer your property to someone else, the state will end up being your partner. Because when you die, they have a set of rules called intestate, and I don't think you're going to like them very well. You just want to make sure things are passed down. You want to make sure things are organized correctly, because if you don't set your business up in a way that's able to be sold or transferred or protected, you don't really own a business. You have a job, and that's not really what you want. You don't want a job. You want a business. And I would just, for small business owners, there's not a lot of time to do a lot of research. So I would employ you to reach out to some of these experts on this panel to try to steer you into a place of better positioning.
Nice. Cool. Thank you, my brother. All right. Chara?
I'll keep it short and sweet. I've been practicing for almost 23 years now, and grew up in a family of entrepreneurs. Decided I did not want to work for anyone else. Even coming out of law school, started my own practice right after I became licensed, and kind of hit the ground running with running the practice, running the business. And many of my clients are business owners. While they may operate in the space of real estate, whether they're brokers, mortgage professionals, of course, the clients who are buyers, sellers, investors, those investors have entities. So whether I'm helping them to establish the entity such that they can launch off in the area of real estate, I come up on some of the same issues in helping them establish the business. They have to keep it running and maintain it. It's not just about the start, but how you maintain it. And, some critical functions of being a business owner are making sure that you understand that, you really do need to have an operating agreement, something that can help you, maintain the business and operate according to how you said you would, right? You really do need to file that annual report, so there are some to-dos that you need to make sure you have in place before you can even begin to think about selling. You want to have your business in order and set that proper foundation with good legal counsel. And as Kendall mentioned, thinking about continuity of the business after you've long passed or become disabled, that's, what I do. I help my clients, really begin to set the foundation, build the business, and then think about what it looks like to do succession planning and continue the business after they've decided to retire or once they've passed away.